So
Yeah.
as you know, I think Varish was the last one to join this group. I think about 3 months now. And this is the first math class I didn't have to force him to go, because any class we start, initially it starts okay and then slowly it loses that loses its charm, and we have to push them to do homeworks. But this is one class that he really enjoys, and I really don't have to push him. I know sometimes we get miss certain when finishing his lessons, but yeah, now that they have a lot of homeworks, it happens now and then, but he really enjoys it. And this time he went really confident for his starters, like he just mentioned. And I suggested to a couple of my friends as well, because we can make them get classes, but we cannot make them feel interested in the class, which is the best thing I would recommend to anybody.
Yeah.
Thank you
Thanks a
very
lot.
much,
Thanks
Mr.
a lot.
Pat, for making it interesting and making math so interesting for children over here.
For sure. Thanks a lot. Thank